This video is about all the features we expected in iPhone 13 but didn't get. So guys, first feature, on-screen fingerprint sensor. Second was satellite calling. That's surely not coming. And third is always on display. That's a simple feature, but to save battery, Apple is not giving that feature in iPhone 13. And notch free screen. So that's not possible, guys. And we expected that we'll be able to choose the refresh rate that we want in 120Hz or 60Hz. That's also not coming. And the 120Hz refresh rate is only coming in Pro series. Then it comes to fast wireless charging. Yeah, that was quite expected, but reverse wireless charging, like you want to charge your Apple Watch with your iPhone, so you can't do it as you can do in Samsung S series. That's still lacking behind. And the best feature I always wanted, that Apple Pencil support in iPhones. That's also not coming, guys. So this video was about all the features we expected but didn't get. These all were rumors, though the camera design that was rumored long back seems to come true. So I still want these features in next iPhone. I hope guys you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video and share with your friends. Thank you.